How to turn on Facebook dark mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on Facebook. This feature is perfect for reducing eye strain and saving battery life on your device. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your Facebook account. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the top right corner and you will enter the menu section. From there, again tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner. Now, you can simply scroll down and tap on dark mode under the preferences. Now, you will have the option to choose between on, off and system. Selecting on will activate dark mode immediately, and if you choose system, Facebook will match your device appearance settings. And there you have it. You have successfully turned on dark mode on Facebook. Pretty simple, right? Enjoy the slick new look and give your eyes a break. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.